Staring at herself in the mirror on the restroom door. Voices in her head that mirror what she's heard before. All the things they said to hold her back, they never seem to leave her head and tend to keep her mind.
One down. LA on the move. Crossover. Whoopee. Brad, garo. Out of way ka, Brad. Ang galing ni Vic. Kumustahin mo na si Roland. Roland, sama ka dito, manager. Holy shit. Pang-agaw na ng bola yun eh, pang-agaw ng bola. Oh! That was fun. Vic, are you okay? Galing na. Hello. Magaling na ng mga player ko. Mga ano pa, mga 1 million practice. Down pa. Galing ni LA oh. Hindi ko na mahabol oh. Kaya two down. Ayun po. Tembang din. Magaling. Continue practice my players. Habulin to si ano. Magandang kunan.
Fail army.
Fail army. Masasabi mo sa ating
Sakit na katawan ko.
skating session, masakit sa katawan?
Sayaw na katawan ko.
Laban lang. Para sa Pinas to, Brad. Philippine Hockey Team. First Phil Canadian Philippine Hockey Team. Ah! Panghabol ka to sa LA, panghabol to. Panghabol. Ito scorer ko to eh. Ay, yung pang ano, bulldozer natin. Oh, taga balya to ng kalaban eh. Yung taga balya. Yung dalawa kang taga balya oh. Ang galing ni Marlon, oh, nakaikot na, walang tumbo. Tabi, ang bulldozer dadaan! Shit. Galing ng Marlon oh. Galing ng Marlon, hindi pa natutumba. Oh. Ano? Napasok kasi sa ano, sapatos. Pagod na yung goalie ko. Goalie, what's up? Sa bagay ang goalie hindi gumagalaw talaga yan eh. Tagaharang lang ng mga ano yan. Pero pag babae, papasukin mo, Brad. Big. Ang aking goalie. Scorer. Yung dalawa kong bulldozer. Yun, nice. Okay na, okay na. Puro singot ang naririnig sa aking video ah.
Pajak, steady. Pajak.
Oo. Parang pag nag-step ka, ito. Tapos step, step. Yung isang paa mo, iaano mo niya. Parang nakaangat. Tapos dito ka magbabalance oh. Tapos balance ka na naman. Okay. Para matuto ka. Saka step ka lang ng step. Huwag yung gaganon-ganon ka, step mo talaga siya. Itaas mo yung paa mo, ganyan oh. Yun, yung bulldozer, itong ba? Marlon the Bulldozer! may hockey name ka na. The Bulldozer! Nanunulak pala yun eh. Ang layo. Nanunulak ka pre. Kaya pala natumba to eh. Nanunulak ka pala daw eh.
Nangyari talaga yan?
Tumalon eh, no? Isa pa, may mga photo banner. Okay, ako naman ang nasa video, palagi na lang sila. Napakalamig. Singot sipon. Oy, bulagta. Yung tumba. Edit.
Thank you, kaibigan.
Tapos natumba ko, pahiya. Magagaling ngayon, pang-apat na session pa lang nila. So, nakakatayo na, walang experience sa rollerblade or whatsoever na skating game. Dito lang natuto. Stig. Sarap dito mga ka-adventure. Ay, wala kaming ginagawa. Walang trabaho, mag-skating, diba? Hindi tayo mabuburo sa bahay. Binaliktad ko yung camera eh.
Hey!
Si LA, ito ang tagahabol ko. Mabilis siya eh. Si John, tagabalya ng kalaban. Pang-agaw ng bola yan. Ayun pa, si Marlon, the bulldozer. Yan ang pinakamatindi mang-agaw ng bola sa kalaban. At mang-agaw ng buhay. Pag nabalian ng tadyang yung kalaban. Lupit ni LA, ito panghabol to. Ito naman ang natumba. Steep curve. Kailang tayo. Pinontra ko kasi. I'm braking at the same time, umiikot para mag U-turn. Naunahan na nga ako eh. Hindi ako nang tumba eh. Taga-agaw yan ng lakas. Tingnan muna, sakit na ng likod ko. Boy pa. Tawa ng tawa tong guli ko. Ano na tayo, hindi natin bulagta, team lap trip naman.
isang rahok na nyo yung kan.
Nanaglag.
Her alarm goes off and she gets up to watch the morning news. Doesn't work no more but tells a lot of stories about her youth. Drinks more lately, ain't got pills in many different colors too. Morning light is showing, she moves the chair to look out at her view. But her shop was built right across the street, and it stands by the sunrise used to be. In the afternoons on the couch to read, goes through old pictures and memories. I hear heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten. Our heroes so they got old. Our heroes have been forgotten. Our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten. Our heroes so they got old. Our heroes so they got old. Our heroes so they got old. Smiles they fade because her dad only visits once a month. Since she got a family of her own, it's kept the two apart. Used to have so many visitors, but now the only one is the nurse that helps her move the chair to look out at the sun. But a shop was built right across the street, and it stands where the sunrise used to be. In the afternoons on the couch to read, goes through old pictures and memories. Our heroes have been forgotten. Our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten. Our heroes so they got old. Our heroes have been forgotten. Our heroes so brave and bold. Our heroes have been forgotten. Our heroes so they got old. People don't stay the same, you know. I just hope their stories will still be told. Shadows played a trick on my eyes. Creatures in my bedroom at night. Lately I have not been sleeping fine. I can't get no peace of mind. Though I could be better than I've ever been. Got friends, a family, and a place to stay. Though I should be better than ever when I see my loved ones every day. I know for every laugh we share today, there'll be a teardrop later on. I know the more I have, the more I have to lose, the less I feel I've won. I've been having nightmares. I've been having nightmares. I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose
Pre, tali mo dito pre oh. Parang yung sa paa. Yung sa ginawa ko.
Trish. Si Allen tawa ng tawa nung pinakita ko yung drone video ni ano eh, ni Nestor. Eksakto si Marlon tihaya eh.
Sabi dyan, tawa-tawa dito lang.
Oo. Oh, ganun talaga, i-step mo siya.
Medyo gel. Oh, galing na oh. Oh.
Sisend ko to sa ano, kay Roland, sa ating manager. Para may tawag, bili tayo ng ano, pagkain. Galing oo.
Kusay na ano.
Usay. Yan, mga pwede niya pang mago, ganyan-ganyan oh. Diba? So, manipis, ay malambot yung ano, yellow. May mga ano pa kasi sa ibabaw eh. Vic, pakitaan mo na eh. Binibidyo kita at sisend ko kay Roland. Kasi sabi sa akin ng kumpare mo, videohan mo yung ano. Tapos kahapon nagsabi sa akin si Roland, hindi daw kita niyaya.
Oo, di ba?
Galing oh. Magaling. Ano to, receiver. Taga-takbo si LA. Taga-bangga si Marlon. Saka si John. Scorer si Chris.
Saka ikaw.
Coach ako eh. Bawal ang playing coach. Jawo. Si Jawo yun eh.